Hey guys, how's it going? This is your favorite Auto Buddy technician coming at you live with some air tool maintenance tips and a step-by-step instruction on how to do it. So this is my beloved Mac Tools half-inch angle grinder. Oil it daily, but I noticed that the head up here, this portion here, seized on me once when I was grinding off spot welds. So I talked to my Mac distributor. Shout out to Mac Tools. Basically, grease nipple there. You need to grease this once a month. So, bought the grease. Mac Tools PNG4 air tool grease. Inhibits rust and protects against corrosion. Designed for tough, high-end, low to high temperature applications. Used for impact wrenches and other air tools. Okay, you need a tube of this. Any air tool grease is fine. Get yourself one of these. This is the Mac Tools mini grease gun. Comes with 3 nipples. AGG234B. Mini grease gun holds 3 ounces. One-handed operation, spring return. Plunger fits most types. Special tip for air tools. And optional is a 11mm wrench. So basically, get started. You need to cut open your grease. I'm just going to use a pair of cheap scissors. Okay. That worked. So there you go. So there's your grease right there. Now what you do is you take out your grease gun. Basically there's instructions here. So you take your grease gun out. You always undo the lid. That's your plunger there. You put your grease in here. That's where you push it up to get all the air bubbles out of it. Stainless steel construction, durable. So the nipple that comes with it, you always test fit it. So I can test fit it. Doesn't look like it fits. You take your wrench, already loosened this. Take it out. Be very careful when taking this out. Okay. See, as you can see, there's a spring in there. You can see that spring. Do not lose that. So you take that, set it aside. You have 2 other nipples to test. Try this one. Make sure it pushes in and goes straight into the hole. Sits flush. That is a potential candidate. Another one, same thing. So they're both potential candidates. You can see the difference. I'm gonna put on this one. So what we do is just hand thread it first. Don't start getting all overzealous and start ripping the thing off. And because remember, this is cast. So take your 11mm wrench. Make sure you get. Oh my God, really? It's not an 11. Now you're kidding me. Aw. Seriously? Oh, there we go. So there's a spring there. So I guess that's not 11, but that's okay. Just hand tighten it, that's fine. So we begin filling the grease. So you take your, slowly fill the tube. So you just just keep filling it very slowly. Sorry guys, I'm using the head cam, so I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Yeah, that smells real good. It smells like bearing grease. So you just fill it. Try to eliminate any air pockets. Let's see if that works. I'm just going circular pattern. Excuse me, back gas. Okay, that's about, I think, half a tube. Okay, cap it off. You hear that click. Now you got that in there. Basically, okay, tap the lubricant against the hard surface. Palm of your hand, see the air pockets. Tap it. There we go. Okay. Okay, tap lubricant against hard surfaces, just palm your hand or table. Anything will allow the lubricant to be pushed to the bottom. So I keep doing it till you get to the bottom. Okay. Then, yep, okay. Continue to insert lubricant until the lubricant tube is completely filled. Okay. So I can still squeeze more in. Let's see. This is basic daily maintenance, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, sorry you guys, my camera, ridiculous. There we go. I'll keep tapping it so it's completely full. I would say that's full. Okay, screw the cap on the tube. So do not tighten cap completely at this time. So I would say go down. Oh, okay, come on. Thank you. Go down a couple of threads, like about there. Like there's fine. Half quarter turn. Insert a rod or a pencil into the bottom. Let's see what kind of crappy pencil I can use. Damn, that won't work. Use this one if it works. Nope. Shit. Damn it. Yeah, we'll try the pen, see if that works. If not, so insert the rod, the pencil at the bottom of the lubricant tube, allow air pockets to escape from the tip. So basically, it's on, not tight. Insert the. Oh, it's not working. Bloody bastards. Okay, so you take scissors. And you just. There you go. So you just push up. You'll feel it, trust me. Just keep pushing up, it'll. Okay. That's as far as I can go. Allow lubricant to ooze out. So let me tighten this up some more. Don't cross thread it. So we're going to push it up some more. Okay, we're maxed out. Now give it a okay. Up. Okay, what the hell, man? Oh yeah. Yeah, so it's all the way up. So can't push it anymore. Should have brought a rag with me. God dang it. Yeah, so you just shake it up, keep pumping. Stuff smells like rubber. Should be able to get it out of there. Just give it a couple. Probably an air pocket or something. This is so stupid. Thing is just giving me really. Yeah, see, there you go. So it should be able to pump up some grease. So there you go. So then what you do, first time using one of these, so don't hate me. You put it in here, pump it in. There you go. So that's how you do it. Basic air tool maintenance goes a long way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell bar notification button. Hey guys, it's your favorite auto body technician coming at you live with basic air tool maintenance. Besides oiling it, you need to grease it. So you take your grease gun, okay, fill it up with air tool grease, push the nipple, you just pump it full. There you go. Now it'll spin freely. You have no issues, no stopping. Give it a tap, spin it around, get the grease going. Test it. Sure, you got grease going. Push it again, push the nipple in. Well, it's coming out the back of it too. Done. So that will take care of your air tools for a long time. Now, holy crap, so you just go open it up again. There's your grease. Okay, it's full to the brim. Went down a little bit. Just keep going. You get a little bit of back squirt. That happens. So this is the Mac Tools AMW GG234B grease gun. Comes with 3 nipples. This is the Mac Tools PNG4 air tool grease. And remember, keep your air tools running, oil them daily. Oil them, grease them once in a while, because if it's dry in there, it will not do nothing. I had this thing seize up on me already. So clean off your nipple there. You want to check again. Push it in. Just keep going. Just make sure. There you go. Oh yeah, that'll last me another year. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on some air tool maintenance video.